you'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty
not,
easy
right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Being, what do you say? Flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
Flued out.
Let's get into a situation that's spiraling fast. Jana and Monique, co-parents to baby Sage, agreed on 50-50 custody. No child support, just equal parenting. Sounds fair, right? But shortly after, Monique bounced, off on luxury trips while Jana stayed back doing all the parenting alone. Now, after months of solo duty, Jana's taking it to court, asking Monique to contribute financially. But Monique's not trying to hear it, and this raises a real issue. Equality sounds great until it's time to share the load. Jana's not looking for handouts. She's demanding what's fair. Let's unpack how it all unfolded.
Ms. Williamson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, so we're here today because we both have a child together and we both have split custody, but lately she has not been around. She has not been able to help me with the child. She's been doing her own thing and I need child support.
I've been working.
That's not an excuse. This is your child that you gave birth to, that I adopted, and I'm spending more time with her than you are.
I got a lot to pay for. Help y'all out, take care of the baby. Just because I'm not around, that means I'm bringing in the money.
When's the last time you helped us out?
I pay the insurance.
The baby gotta eat. The baby need clothes.
Did I need to leave? I mean, I have to be here because I'm working, but if you all needed to keep talking, I could just excuse myself. But what did y'all want me to do?
I need help with getting child support because I'm not going to do this with her.
So now that I can help you with, because the going back and forth and all of that, that's not going to help your case, okay? So I understand your frustration, and I do have the court order that you provided, and it looks like child support was not ordered because you all agreed to have split custody.
Right.
Did.
Okay, so that's changed.
Yes.
All right. How often, like how long has this been going on?
For about 3 months now.
3 months?
My job ain't easy.
Neither is mine, obviously, right? You'd agree that my job is not easy, right?
I mean, look
probably
pretty easy
not, right?
sitting down. I could do that all day.
Oh, okay. Right. We'll come back to you. No worries. Now, she is working. You're having the child, I'm assuming almost 100% of the time?
Correct.
Okay. All right. You adopted the child?
Yes. I
Okay.
adopted the
How
child.
old is this child?
She's only 6.
6? What is her name?
Her name is Sage.
Sage. Oh, she sounds so cute.
She is.
Now, is there anything else you wanted me to know before I move over to her?
Her reasoning when I asked her why she isn't spending amount of time that she's supposed to, since we do have split custody, is she's working. But when I go on her Snapchat and her Instagram, she's being flued out and in Miami, but yet you don't have time to spend with your child.
Why you all on my social media anyways?
Ma'am, everybody is on your social media, okay? So let's not act like you don't know everybody is looking at social media.
Well,
And you being, what do you say, flued out?
Yeah, she's being flued out.
flew out for the week. No, I'm sorry. I be at work and it be a lot going on. Y'all know what I have to deal
are
with
you
as a flight
working
attendant
when-
with all these crazy people on this
Okay,
airplane.
so are you being flued out with your job as a flight attendant, or are you doing other things that
I'm working
require
as
you
a
to be away
flight
from work?
attendant. I mean, sometimes, occasionally, I may have a little flued out.
Monique showed up to court ready, with excuses, not solutions. She claimed she was contributing, pointing to Sage's insurance as proof. But then she took it too far, telling the judge that Jana just sits around all day. Seriously? Her excuse for not being around? Work. But Jana came prepared, with social media receipts showing Monique in Miami, popping bottles and living her best life. So much for being too busy. Yes, Monique's a flight attendant, but based on the evidence, it's looking a lot more like party mode than work mode.
Most of the time, I be working hard. I pay this $175 insurance. Like, at least I'm doing something. I do my part.
You pay a whole $175 in health insurance. What do you want for that?
Baby could be on Medicaid, but
Oh, you know what? That is a good point, but that's beside the point. At the end of the day, This is both of you all's child, which means that Sage is both of you all's responsibility. And you are going to pay child support. Since, I'm just sitting up here, this is what I do. So how much money do you make a year? And make sure you're being honest, because I have your documents in front of me.
About 79,000.
I couldn't hear you.
About 79,000 a year.
$79,000 a year, and you want to be flued out and not give her anything for Sage? You came here to waste my time. I'm about to go ahead and read these numbers off to you so you can pay child support.
Child support?
Yes, ma'am. Child support. That's right.
I'm going to have to pay insurance too?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to?
Yes, ma'am. You're going to pay. Yes, ma'am. You're going to carry the health insurance and you are going to pay child support. So, based on your financial documents and what you just testified to, $79,000 a year for salary, that makes your gross $6,583, brings your net down to $5,157.12. All right. How many children? Just Sage? Sage is the only child? Okay.
That I birthed for 9 months.
That you don't take care of?
You ain't carried for 9 months.
Excuse
You know
me.
what it is to carry a baby for 9 months?
Okay,
Because a dog had a baby, that don't make it the mother.
Excuse me. I'm talking. I believe I'm the judge. You all do not need to address each other. You have enough issues as it is, okay? So,
That's why we
again,
together now.
I
That's why I be cheating now.
need you to pay attention
Girl.
since you like to be flued out and stuff. I need you to pay attention to these numbers as they fly your way, okay? So, $5,157.12 is your net. One child, they bring your child support obligation to $1,031.42. Well, let me go ahead and give you a credit for that $175 that you.
Thank you.
It's not going to be much, so don't thank me yet. It's not. So, let's see. I give you credit for the 175. 6583. Oh yeah, that didn't really help you out none. So, I mean, your child support obligation is still going to be close to what I just told you. So, $5,057.12, one child. Child support obligation is $1,011.
A month?
That's what I said.
$1,000?
Yes, ma'am.
That's a whole rent payment.
You got it.
That's what I'm saying. You got
I
it.
got it.
You got it. You being flued out.
Okay. Well, did you get what I just said? Did you got
I heard you.
Oh, okay. Is there anything further?
No.
All right. Did you have anything further?
No, thank you.
You're welcome. You all are dismissed.
When Judge V hit Monique with that deadpan congratulations, it was the moment. Pure gold, total chaos. But the real bombshell? Judge Vonda dropped the final verdict. Monique's now ordered to pay $1,011 a month in child support. And her reaction? You'd think the sky was falling. Shocked, speechless, like she hadn't been dodging parenting duties while flying first class. Honestly, the courtroom felt more like primetime TV. Drama, denial, and delusion all rolled into one. It was unmissable. That's a wrap on this wild ride. If you're into stories this juicy, check out the next video. And of course, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you never miss the madness. See you next time.